Hi dears, nice to meet you again. So I am going to teach 10th standard mathematics coordinate geometry. Intercept form part A. So already we know that equation of straight line is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. That is the intercept concept. So now we discussed about intercept concept of the sums. So what is the equation of straight line intercept form? The first one, the equation of straight line, equation of a straight line x divided by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. This is an equation of straight line formula. So now what is x-intercept? Here x-axis intersecting point is called x-intercept, that value is given, and y-axis intercept point is called y-intercept, that value also given, and two values are x-intercept and y-intercept given value means we can use the equation of straight line. Equation of straight line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. This is the formula. So now you see the concept of the example sum. The first one, this is a very important question. A line makes a positive intercept. So intercept concept means we can use the equation of straight line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So a line makes a positive intercept on coordinate axis whose sum is 7. So what is sum value? 7. Here x-intercept and y-intercept, sum of the value we get 7. That is the given the values. So what is x-intercept? We denote a. What is the y-intercept? Denote b. So here x-intercept and y-intercept sum of value we get 7. So sum of intercept is 7. A plus b equal to 7. That is the concept. Okay. So now solution. Given the value is solution given a plus b is equal to 7. This is given the values. So now passing through the point minus 3 comma 8. So here the equation of straight line, equation of a straight line, x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So here we know that a plus b equal to 7. So what is b value? 7 minus a, because here the plus a you send opposite side minus a. So we get b equal to 7 minus a. So here substitute the value b, y-intercept, substitute value 7 minus a. So x by a plus y divided by 7 minus a is equal to 1. Now the denominators are different, so we can product cross multiply. Okay. So here 7 minus a into x plus then a into y, ay divided by, so the denominator is product, so a into 7 minus a is equal to 1. So now we can product 7 into x, 7x minus a into x, ax minus ax. So next one plus ay, we can write plus ay. So now we can product the denominator value, 7 into a, 7a, and then a into minus a square is equal to 1. Now the denominator value send opposite side. So whenever denominator values divide means you send opposite side multiply. So 7x minus ax plus ay is equal to 7a minus a square multiply 1. Okay. So multiply by 1. Then 1 into 7a minus a square, 7a minus a square. So 7x minus ax plus ay equal to 7a minus a square. So RHS value is in left hand side. So we get 7x minus ax plus ay minus 7a plus a square, because here minus a square is in left hand side positive. So positive a square is equal to 0. Now passing through the point, what is our passing through the point? Minus 3 comma 8. Passing through the point minus 3 comma 8. So here x value is minus 3 and y value is 8, because whenever point x comma y, so first value is x, second value is y. So x value is minus 3, y value is 8. Substitute the value, 7 into minus 3 minus a into x value is minus 3 plus a into what is y value? 8 minus 7a plus a square is equal to 0. So 7 3s are 21. So plus into minus, minus 21. So minus into minus plus 3a and 8 into a 8a minus 7a plus a square is equal to 0. Now a square 3a plus 8a 11a. So 11a minus 7a minus 21 equal 0. Because here we can write the order highest degree first we have to write and lowest degree ascending order. So sorry, descending order. So a square plus 11a minus 7a minus 21 equals 0. So now we get a square 11a minus 7a, what is the value? 4a. So plus 4a minus 21 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So now we can simplify quadratic equation factorize method. Okay. Now we get, what is the quadratic equations? A square plus 4a minus 21. A square plus 4a minus 21 equal to 0. Now factorize. So minus 21, this is a constant term. So here consider 1. So 1 into minus 21, minus 21. So here product the value is minus 21 and sum of the values, center value is 4. So now what are all possibilities? 7 3s are 21. 21 1s are 21. So here minus 21, 1 plus another one minus. So we get this sum of the value is 4, this sum of the value is 20. So this is a possibility, this is not possible. Okay. So 7 and minus 3 is a factor. So a plus 7, a minus 3 is equal to 0. Now a plus 7 equals 0, a minus 3 equals 0. So a is equal to plus 7, you send opposite side, minus 7 and a equal to minus 3. So here two different values, a equal to minus 7 and a equal to 3. Here a line makes a positive intercept. So positive intercept means we take positive value only. So we negative values omitted and a value is 3. What is b value? B value we know that 7 minus a. So b equal to 7 minus what is a value? 3. So b equal to 4. So now we get a value is 3 and b value is 4. So now the required equation of the straight line, straight line x by a plus y divided by b is equal to 1. So now what is the value of a? 3. So x by 3 plus y divided by 4 equal to 1. So now the cross multiply 4 into x 4x and plus 3 into y 3y divided by 12. So 4 3s are 12 is equal to 1. So 4x plus 3y is equal to 12. This 12 opposite sign means product, so 12. So now we get 4x plus 3y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is a required equation of a straight line. That's it. Today we discussed intercept concept and we attached study material, question bank, self-assessment. So go through it. Thank you so much.